Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Don, and in this video I'm reviewing the Ninja Professional Blender 1000. And this is the box that it showed up in. And guys, as you could see, I was not happy with the condition. It was not factory sealed. As I brought it into my home, the blender started coming out. I caught it before it fell to the ground. It was listed as new on Amazon. Amazon does sell these used, but this particular one was listed as new. It was originally $100, which I thought was a great price for a Ninja, and it was marked down to $70. Maybe it was marked down because of this. I don't know if someone bought this and decided they wanted a bigger picture and put it back and didn't seal it. But I looked very closely at it, guys, and I did not see any scratches. I did not see any cracks. Upon really close inspection, I saw no signs of this being used. So that $70 price tag made me think, I'm going to give this a try. The thing is, guys, I bought the extended warranty, which I usually don't do. I'm going to tell you about that at the end of this video. You're really going to want to hear why I did that. But guys, before we dive into this Ninja, I want to talk to you about why I was looking for a new blender. Traditional blenders that I've been using, I've been paying $25 to $35 for, and guys, they barely last me a year. And I noticed when I first get them a terrible chemical smell for a couple of weeks, so I would actually take this out on my back porch and do the smoothies out there, so that chemical that's being extracted from here does not end up in my kitchen and in my lungs. I do it outside. I don't know if the manufacturers are using some kind of lubrication. I did not notice it in the Ninja, but I noticed it in this. The other thing, guys, is when you go to clean the blades, and for legal purposes, I do not recommend anyone clean these blades by hand because they're very sharp and you could get injured. But I don't put them in the dishwasher because you see how some of the blades go down? There's a very little space. Is that going to get clean in the dishwasher? If this is not perfectly clean, you're going to get microscopic food particles on those blades. And now germs and bacteria are going to grow. I had a very difficult time cleaning these with a Brillo pad to get under there. So that I did not like. The other thing that's kind of dangerous about these guys is as you're blending your smoothie, you can take off the lid and add more food. Now, if you've got some young teenagers at 13 or 14 that are just starting to get into these smoothies, and they're doing that, that can be very dangerous. Ninja has a safety feature that takes care of that. You cannot do that with a Ninja. If this is not on securely, the blades will not run. And the blades go all the way up, so that would be incredibly dangerous if you were to take off the lid and reach in. See, you've got your release button there. It's locked into place. Okay, and you've also got this arrow on the handle, and you've got the arrow on the lid. Makes it very convenient to line it up when you put this on to make sure it's on securely. And the pouring spout is really quality here. It locks on tight, and you open that up, and now you're going to hear a little click. Now it's locked into place, so when you go to pour it, it stays open. That's the kind of quality you get with the Ninja. But guys, when I take these out of the box, I then put them on my back porch for a couple of weeks to let them off gas. Even for example, like my artwork, there's a lot of ink on there. When I take them out of the package, they're all sealed up. I want that outside to breathe. My porch is on the second floor. I don't think anything's going to get stolen. I put them in a place where the sun and the rain can't get to them, and I'll leave them out there for 2 or 3 weeks. I do that with a lot of products. See the way this is all sealed up? I will open it up and let it breathe for a couple of weeks. Now, I believe the Ninjas are BPA free, and if you're going to go with plastic, guys, you do want BPA free. BPA is the worst of the worst ingredients in plastics. But I don't believe that makes the plastic safe. There's still plenty of bad ingredients in here. So I want to get the off-gassing done as much as possible as outside. I wanted a glass pitcher. I could not find one in a Ninja. If you guys know of one, please let me know. But I also believe these are listed as dishwasher safe. I don't put them in the dishwasher because I'm concerned with all those other harmful ingredients still in plastic, guys, with all the heat and hot water and steam in that dishwasher. Is that going to generate more off-gassing and vapors that are going to seep out from this plastic? And when you open that dishwasher, here comes all those chemicals. They hit you in the face, they hit you in the eyes, you're breathing them in. I don't want that. So I try to stay away from putting any kind of plastic or anything that I think that can happen with in the dishwasher. That's just what I do, guys. But here's the reason why, one of the reasons why I got the Ninja. Look at the access you get to cleaning those blades, okay? And guys, I already cut my finger on these, so if you're going to clean them by hand, please be very careful. But you have the opportunity to get these completely clean. So I take a Brillo pad, I clean the bottom, the sides, the top. You get 6 blades, not 4, okay? And as the food goes up, these other 4 blades are chopping them. It does not take as long to get a smoothie with the Ninja. And then after I rinse this off with a Brillo pad, sometimes that soap from the Brillo pad will remain on the blades. After rinsing them, I'll get a brush or a dishcloth and carefully get the remaining soap off of there because you do not want that in your smoothie. And then I'll rinse them off again, dry it thoroughly. And guys, I've had this for a couple of weeks now, and it's been doing a great job on the smoothies. I'm very happy with it. I'm going to show you the base of the unit here. Watch how this locks into place, guys. You hear that click? It is now locked in solid. And I just went with a very basic unit. That's all I wanted. Low, medium, and high. You've got your pulse setting, but it is very powerful, guys. And yes, there are other Ninja units that have much more options and settings. I wasn't looking for that. And for only $70, I got this very quality Ninja blender. And guys, now let's talk about why I bought the extended warranty. So when I went to pay for it at $70, Amazon offered an extended warranty through a third party for only $10, which I believe was giving me an additional 4 years of protection on top of the already, I believe, 12 months that the manufacturer gives you. That is 5 years of protection for only $10. Guys, I could not turn that down. And here's why. In the past, I have not been very happy with extended warranties. I'll give you an example. I had a refrigerator freezer, and I had bought the extended warranty. The ice maker broke. The warranty company sent down their technician, and he said that the part that broke was not a covered part. So they were not responsible, and they wanted to charge me all kinds of money to fix it. I've heard that same story with other appliances where I have bought the extended warranty. I have also heard plenty of other people tell me the same thing. So I tend to stay away from them. But here's why I bought it this time. Because Amazon is involved. Even though they are not the ones offering the warranty, they are the ones that sold me this unit. They're the ones who chose the warranty company. So let's say this thing breaks after a year or 2 years. I'm going to call up Amazon, and they're probably going to give me the phone number for the warranty company and tell me to deal with them. Of course. I call up the warranty company. If they give me the runaround and they tell me it wasn't a covered part, or that warranty company is no longer even in business, I'm going to call up Amazon and say, well, what are you going to do to help me? You're the ones who used that warranty company, and they're not helping me. And I need another blender, and I need it now. Amazon knows, guys, if they don't help me, I am not going to buy my new blender from them. I will buy it from a competitor. And then I might start making more of my future purchases from their competitors. Amazon knows that. They do not want to lose my business. So what do you think they're going to do? I think they're going to put me on hold. They're going to get a supervisor, and they're going to look at my history of purchases. And they are going to see thousands and thousands of dollars of business that I'm giving to Amazon. They do not want to lose that business. I believe they are at the very least going to give me a gift card towards an Amazon purchase for at least the $10 for the warranty. But if this thing only lasts a year or two, I believe they will go above and beyond that, guys, and give me a gift card towards the purchase. Maybe $20 or $30, I don't know. But what I can tell you is Amazon has always taken good care of me. They have a reputation of doing the right thing. And that gave me the confidence that this was a good purchase. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you click on the like icon. Send me your comments and subscribe to my channel, and take this journey to a world of wisdom that can help you and your animals live a longer, healthier, better quality of life. God bless.